In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, and here we will be entering all the codes. Let me start with the first one, which is *pound 2663 pound. And as you can see, this is the advanced firmware version. You can smoothly check all details regarding your firmware. Here it is. You can also refresh Wi-Fi if you want to, and just read all the info that you need to come along with, then go back, and this is it. Another code that you can use here is *pound 0808 and pound at the end. And here you can manage USB settings, so just pick the option that you want to apply, and just by tapping you can change it. Then go back, and it has been applied. Another code that you can use, truly useful, is *pound 268 3662 and pound at the end. And here we've got service mode. If you will tap on the more icon, you will be able to check key input. You can select the row, you can open help with some further details, you can check Wi-Fi, and by tapping on end you can go back. And this is it. That would be all about advanced service mode. And if you would like to test your device, if you would like to check some features, enter my favorite actually code is *pound *pound. And here we've got the test menu, where you can check display, receiver, vibration, touch, speaker, sub key, front camera, and so on. So let me start with display test. So red is working properly, green also fine, blue perfectly as well. Then you can check the receiver. As we all can hear, it is working properly. Then you can check, for example, simple data, and then grip sensor if you want to, version, S Pen. Let me show you maybe speaker. So as you can hear, it is definitely working. Now it will be a bit lower. And click one more time to finish it. And then we can go back. And that will be all for the test menu. Obviously just pick those features that you want to test and check if they are working properly. And another code that you can use in your Samsung is *pound 1234 and pound at the end. And here you can check your firmware version, so smoothly enter it and check, for example, the model. And last code, also pretty quick, is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with unique numbers assigned to your device, to your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And you've got serial number, IMEI numbers, and if you click on OK, you'll be back in your phone dialer. And this is it. Then you can use your device smoothly in a normal way. So that would be all. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. You can use them as only you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.